Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look here at the brand new 2025 No Boundaries 18.1 Overland trailer here. This thing was ordered with the Beast Mode off-road suspension system. We're going to take a few minutes here, walk you through the inside and outside of this RV. This thing comes in at about 14 feet 11 inches and right close to 3,500 pounds dry. So let's step inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2025 Nobo 18.1 Overland trailer here. So this is a small trailer, obviously, so it's gonna be a little tough to do some good video work here, but we're gonna give it a shot. So down below here, you're gonna have quite a bit of storage space underneath your sink area and also underneath the stove area as well. You do have a 2-burner gas stove top with the flip up and down glass lid. You're gonna have that famous TikTok sink there that everybody was going crazy about. You got the little waterfall thing down there, a bunch of little stuff in here, the cup washer, the soap dispenser, the high-rise sprayer faucet, all kinds of little goodies built into that sink. That thing is super cool. You got a window back there that opens, electric outlet right there, hood range light and fan, and your traditional microwave with some storage and stuff by it as well. It is all vinyl floor in here. Over here next to your entry door, you're gonna have some controls. So you got your solar charge controller, 30 amp Go Power charge controller, 12 volt powered heated holding tanks, water pump, water heater on gas, the electric buttons outside, monitor panel for your holding tanks, some light switches, awning button, stuff like that, all right here. They even do a little bottle opener and a couple hook holder things down here for like keys and stuff. Over here is going to be your bathroom area here. So down below you have a foot flush toilet. There's going to be some storage underneath your sink area, a little bit of shelf space there, some counter space, electric outlet, and you're going to have your medicine cabinet up here as well. Large turbo exhaust fan right there. Over here is going to be a step-in shower. Got the skylight up above. A little bit of built-in shelf space there. But overall, basically a step-in shower with a pull-across curtain feature. You're going to have the Furrion 12-volt powered refrigerator. Very nice refrigerator. You see this in a lot of larger campers. You're going to have the electric box down there, a central vac feature with a dustpan vac also down there. You have a Furrion air conditioner up there on the ceiling. You're going to have your digital thermostat for the AC and your propane furnace. Now, kind of looking around here, you have a 32-inch, 12-volt powered smart TV. Shameless plug, we currently got the All About RVs YouTube channel up here. Looks like it's rocking about 60,800 and some odd subscribers and growing. Trying to get over that 100,000 mark. So if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos, please remember to subscribe. And if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button to help out the channel and the videos. You have soft close cabinet doors as well. There's also the propane furnace down there. They went to this new table. It's a little different than what they were using. It's kind of cool. It has a single post here in the middle, and there is a little latch you push right here, and it allows it to drop down. There's another latch right there that'll allow it to slide left or right. And also the unit here was ordered with the Beast Mode package, which comes with a 2,000 watt inverter. So you got some inverter controls down there. If you don't do the Beast Mode package, you won't have that control there. The unit comes with a tire pressure monitoring system built in. Great safety feature. A portable Bluetooth speaker. You do have these little pop-up electric outlets with USB charger ports in them, and also little wireless charge pads on top. There is one of those on each side. Now, behind this little cushion right here, and also on the left side of me as well, there is some storage to stash some stuff back in behind there. But this whole section right here will drop down into bed mode and give you plenty of room to sleep right here. There are pull-down roller shades on all the windows back here. But Nobo did a whole new cabinet look, exterior look, and countertop look and everything for this year. What do you guys think of the new look? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, let's step outside here. I want to show you around the outside of the RV as well. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 No Boundaries 18.1 travel trailer here, the Nobo. Starting here on the door side, we'll work our way around for you. So first things up, Nobo now has a tan colored fiberglass exterior with a little bit of lower green. You got some green and kind of black vinyl graphics and stuff, lower black metal skirting. But the fiberglass itself is attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material, guys. That's a really nice improvement for the construction of an RV instead of using those cheap wood Luan backers. You have deep tint safety glass windows. It is an aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall, by the way. You have power awning here, LED light strip built in, manual override in the front arm head, adjustable arms for tilting. There's a storage compartment area right here, which goes underneath the dinette area. It actually goes all the way across, but it's kind of blocked by the gas griddle that comes with it in those boxes right there. There's also your central vac hoses, motion light in there, baggage door held up by a magnetic holder. Now, kind of looking down below here, you can see this one was ordered with that nice Kurt Beast Mode suspension upgrade. Very nice upgrade if you're going to be kind of off-roading or something. You have off-road tires, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. The Kurt Beast Mode also does add a few inches of height to the ground clearance as well. If you don't want the Beast Mode package, you'll get standard leaf springs, but everything else is basically the same as far as the aluminum wheels, the tires, and the drum brakes. Part of that Beast Mode package is also a 2,000 watt inverter and a additional 200 watt solar panel. You're going to have your gravity fill fresh water tank area right here. You also have a electric outlet here. That griddle mounts to this little track right here, but you got a little table right here along with a cold water spray port and stuff right here as well. Looking up top there is a porch light up there I forgot to turn on. It can go in white mode or amber mode. Again, you got the LED light strip also. Your stove exhaust vent right there. You have a little side port right here for an additional up to 20 amps of solar to roll through that. So if you do like off-road camp and stuff and you might camp under a tree, well then your roof mount solar panels can't really get the sun necessarily as well. You could plug in a portable panel, kind of move it around out there with the sun. But if you're out away from being under a tree, if you do that Beast Mode package, you're gonna have 400 watts of solar on the roof of this thing. Let's hop up here real quick. I wanna show you what this roof actually looks like. All right, I just wanted to hop up here for you real quick and show you what the roof of the little 18.1 No Boundaries models looks like. Again, this one was ordered with that Beast Mode package. So with the Beast Mode package, you get an additional 200 watt solar panel. So you have 400 watts of solar on top of this. One panel standard, second one is part of the option. The Furrion air conditioner up there, your TV antenna, plumbing stack vent, you got your skylight, roof vent, all that type of stuff up here. So it's very, very important, guys, from time to time, get up here and do your inspection on your seams and your seals and everything. If you don't keep up with it, water can get into your RV and damage it. That would be extremely bad and catastrophic for an RV. So do yourself a favor and do your maintenance. Let's head back down. All right, so pretty cool. And again, just make sure you do your maintenance up there, guys. Extremely important. Now looking back down here underneath real quick, you could see, again, enclosed underbelly, that gas line hookup for that griddle, and also one of your stabilizer jacks there. Moving on around to the back side here, You got another porch light up here. Now this porch light is also tied to the side porch light as well. Again, you can have them in a white or amber mode. In the top center right there above your entry door, you are prepped for the Furion rear observation camera. Very nice camera system to consider doing. That basically allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road and also backing into a campsite. Definitely a nice safety feature to consider helping you out. You're going to have the black safety glass entry exit door with the window built in. It's also Lippert thin shade ready, guys. So there is an aftermarket shade you can buy and basically install in that window for privacy. You're going to have the large folding entry handle right there. You also have your heavy duty More Ride entry exit step here. This comes down, touches the ground, has adjustable feet. It does flip inside the doorway area when you are traveling down the road. Traditional 4-inch squared tube bumper on the RV, by the way, and that's where a lot of people like to store their dump hose in there. Now looking down below here, you can see hot and cold low point water drains, your gray and black tank dump handles and stuff all right here as well. Looking up the top corner here, that little black rectangle up there, that is prepping for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. That ladder right there basically telescopes down, allowing you to get up and down, on and off your roof to, say, do an inspection on your roof or clean off your solar panels or something along those lines. So that's a nice thing to consider adding or getting aftermarket at some point. You got a black tank flush here. You have the city water connection right here. You have cable inlet here, your detachable 30 amp power cord. That's probably close to 30 feet long, roughly. You're gonna have a furnace exhaust out right here. The 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. Now this right here has an 1 1/16 drain plug anoid rod, heating element, on-off electric switch right here also. You have a couple reset buttons right here also, pressure relief valve. The other side of the storage compartment here, now you can see this customer also went with the Blue Ox weight distribution Sway Pro system. So that might be something you consider adding aftermarket as well if that interests you. Now we got some real important stuff right here as far as specs. Unit was built 10/15 of 24, model number 18.1 it says. You have, looks like a gross weight of 4,937 pounds. I'm sorry, 39 pounds. 4,939 pounds. You had a dry weight when it rolled off the assembly line with all these upgrades on it, 3,506 pounds. Exterior length, 14 feet, 11 inches. Tire size, ST 235/75 R15 D-range tires with a 65 PSI cold. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure, guys. And it does come again with that tire pressure monitoring system to help you out. But a very cool, small, kind of a couple's trailer to kind of get away, go maybe a little off-roading or whatever into places those big trailers ain't gonna make it. You have a power tongue jack on the front. Has a light built in, manual override. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chains, 7-way Barbman wiring plug. The little yellow box down there is the tire pressure monitor repeat box. You have your battery disconnect there. Room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back here. The spare tire is mounted underneath of there. That is a standard street tire steel wheel. It is not an exact match tire to what's on the ground. You do have a lower diamond plate metal, kind of a 3/4 fiberglass front shell with a window built in and LED light strip across the front there. But overall, I like the new look. What do you guys think of the new look? Do you like the tan and green graphics and stuff? Do you like the new colors on the inside? What do you guys think of the new colors, guys? Let me know. If you haven't done so already, if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And if you want to keep up with more videos, please remember to subscribe. Thanks again.